Hello friends, this is Durga from IT University. It is very important to understand numeral systems for any programmer. This is the foundation uh, for mathematics. Numeral systems is foundation for mathematics, and we use that extensively even in computers. So when it comes to daily lives, we use decimal as the numeral system. So we decimal means we have numbers from 0 to 9, and we use combination of those numbers, and we can go up to infinite. And the currency, everything is actually represented using decimal system. On top of decimal system, we have other popular systems also, octal, hexadecimal, binary. They are often used in mathematics than in real life. But when it comes to computers, binary is the numeral system that is used. And here is the numbers from 0 to 7, which are in decimal format. Here is how they are represented in binary. So 0 is represented as 0, and 1 is represented as 1, and then 2 is represented as 1 0, 3 is represented as 1 1, 4 is represented as 1 0 0, and so on and so forth. And we need to understand how to convert a decimal to binary and a binary to decimal, and that will actually answer many questions in future. So don't worry too much about I am teaching mathematics here. I am novice in mathematics, but I know binary system, and binary system is very important in many aspects as we continue learning the programming. So if I have to convert a decimal to binary, let's see the formula first. You take the number, so the number can be anything. Let me see what I can use. So let me take a simple example of 15. Okay. First we have to divide this 15 with 2. And when you actually divide any number, it gives two things. One is quotient and the other one is remainder. So I will write the quotient here and the remainder here. So when we divide 15 with 2, 2 times 7 is 14. So 7 is quotient here and remainder is 1 here. Okay. And now we have to take the quotient 7, and again we have to divide it by 2, and then it will give a new quotient which is 3, and remainder is again 1. And you have to take this new quotient which is 3, and then you have to divide again that with 2, and now you will get a new quotient 1, and you will get 1 here, which is the remainder. Now you have to take this 1 and divide by 2 again. Now the coefficient is 0 and remainder is 1. Okay. So now we have to take these reminders or dividends from bottom to top. So first we have to write this one, then this, then this, then this. So you have to go from bottom to top and write these reminders one after the other, and that will be the binary representation of 15. So 1111 in binary format is 15 in decimal format. So this is how you can actually convert a decimal into binary. And if you have to convert binary into decimal, you have to pick the rightmost number and multiply it by 2 to the power of 0, and then the next number with 2 to the power of 1, and the next number with 2 to the power of 2, and the next number with 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 cube is 8. And then you have to add these numbers. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 plus 1 is 15. So this is not writing properly, just bear with me. I will try to resolve it later. Anyway, so this is how you can convert from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Let me take another example. In this case, I am using 18 as example. Okay. So we'll divide it by 2, and then the quotient is 9 and remainder is 0. So take the quotient 9 and again divide by 2. The new quotient will be 4 and the remainder is 1. And if you take 4, which is the new quotient, and divide it by 2, now the quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 0. If you take the 2 again, which is this quotient, and divide by 2, the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 0. And now if you take the 1 and divide by 2, then the quotient will be 0, remainder will be 1. And take the numbers from bottom to top, and the binary representation for 18 is 10010. Now if you have to change it back to decimal, you have to multiply this with 2 to the power of 0, this one with 2 to the power of 1, this one with 2 square, this one with 2 cube, and this one with 2 to the power of 4. So this you can strike off because 0 multiplied by anything is 0. You have to take only these two numbers. 2 to the power of 4 is 16 plus 2 to the power of 1 is 2, which means 18. So this is how you can convert 18 into binary, and the binary 10,010 into decimal 18. Um, and I have given other tasks as well. If you go through this blog post, you can also see other numbers such as 10, 8, 16, 158, 32, 1024, etc. And you can convert them to binary, and also you can convert back to decimal if you are interested. And also I have given some random decimal numbers such as 100, 100,101, and some big number. You can convert those to decimal numbers. And remember that binary is the format which is used as part of the computers very extensively, and even as part of the programming we will be using the binary format in many places. So you have to have good understanding about these things, then only will be able to become a better programmer. That being said, thank you, bye.